So in this video, I'll be showing you how to make puff puff. These are popular snack you can make for your birthday party, or you can make it whenever your friends are coming over. So right away, let's get it done. So I have some ingredients here to make puff puff. I have your all-purpose flour, conventional sugar, some ground nutmeg, powdered yeast, and a little salt. So to make your puff puff, bring your flour and sift it into a bowl. Just want to make sure you get rid of the last particle. Just like so. Then you combine all the dry ingredients into the flour. I'm using conventional sugar. You can use the normal granulated sugar. I'm also adding in nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of yeast. I'm using the dry powdered yeast, and also a teaspoon of salt. So once you combine all the dry ingredients into one, you can just stir this, let it mix properly. I use about 250 grams of flour. So you will need lukewarm water to mix the dough. So because I have my warm water, I'm going to be adding this a little at a time. Then I'll just mix. Right here, I'm just going to show you how to mix this without having to use your hands. All you just need is your spatula and everything will be alright. You just mix this until you have your desired consistency. It shouldn't be watery. You just need the batter to be runny and not watery, so that when you use a spoon to scoop, it will easily come out of the spoon. So once you've stirred this and your batter is lump free, you can just clean the spatula. Just bring everything into one. So you just need to wrap this with the foil paper so that it will stay warm. So once you finish covering this with the foil paper, you set this aside in a warm place for 45 minutes. By then it will double up. This is exactly 45 minutes. So let's get back to the dough. So this has risen and it has doubled up, so I'm just going to deflate it. Now to fry the puff puff, so you now heat up oil deep enough for the amount of puff puff you have to fry. So here is the scoop I'll be using. It's a medium scoop, so I'll just be using this to batter into the oil, just like so. This is going to give me a fairly round puff puff. Once you scoop everything inside and you notice some are already getting brown, so you use a fork to turn them upside down. Let the white side also become golden. So you make sure everything is golden. You just need a fork to flip them over. Everything is already brown and I like the golden color I'm seeing, so I'm going to take this off and drain it in a paper towel. So I'm going to repeat this for the next batch. By using this scoop, I won't be touching the batter directly with my hands. So this is just a nice way of making puff puff without having direct contact with it. So guys, this was how to prepare some yummy puff puff snacks. With my 250 grams of flour, I got about 35 pieces of puff puff. I hope you try this out, and also remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.